My name is M. I am age 9. I want to welcome you to Giddo von Robot. Welcome to the Giddo von Robot world. Giddo von Robot, or GVR for short, is a programming language and free software application designed to introduce beginners to the fundamentals of programming. GVR runs on GNU, Linux, XO, Windows, and Macintosh in a variety of languages. It's great in both the classroom and the home as a way of introducing people to the basic concepts of programming. At this point, you are probably asking yourself, what is GVR specifically? The gist of it is that the robot is represented by a triangle on the screen that moves around the world, made up streets and avenues, walls and beepers, which Giddo can collect or set. His actions are completely guided by a program written by the user. GVR comes with 18 lessons and assignments, a language reference. See the Lessons tab and start with Lesson 1. Programming with GVR. Programming a computer in a language like Python requires a precise sequence of steps written by a language where detail of syntax will be overwhelmed for a beginner. Everything must be exactly right, and errors in just programming are frustrating. Often the output of beginning computer programs are text-based and uninteresting, at least to humans. To get acquainted with the concepts of computing without getting bogged down in the syntax of higher-level language such as Python, we begin by programming Giddo von Robot. GVR is a teaching tool that presents the concepts in a visual way using a robot language that is simple yet powerful and extensible. We program Giddo, a simple robot that lives in a simple world, because Giddo and his world are visual simulation. We can watch the effects of our programming statements. This activity is presented in a series of step tutorials with accompanying mini labs. Let's complete step 1. Giddo von Robot can face in one of 4 directions: north, east, south, and west. He turns only 90 degrees at a time, so he can't face northeast, for instance. In Giddo's world, streets run east-west. They're numbered starting at 1. There are no 0 or negative street numbers. Avenues run north-south. They are also numbered starting with 1, with no 0 or negative avenue numbers. At the intersection of a street and avenue is a corner. Giddo moves from one corner to the next in a single movement because he can only face in 4 directions. When he moves and changes his location by one avenue or by one street, but not both. In this step, we will create our first world. Place Giddo von Robot and have the little guy take his first few steps. Robot for 3 and 0. Robot 4, 3, and 0. Talk about 2 files. There are 2 files you need to learn about. The world's file and the GVR file. You set up a world. One sets up worlds by going to the world editor and write robot 4, 3, and 0. Go to File and click Save. Go to code editor and type in move. Then click reload and watch it move. Then click execute to start over. If you click step, you'll go one step at a time. Step 1. Make a world that has Guido start facing east in the lower left corner. Have him take 3 steps and turn off. To make another world, go to World Editor again. Delete robot N3 and 0. Keep robot there. Do 1, 1, E, 0. Then click File. Click Save As. The name will be Step 1. Click Save. Click Code Editor. Click Reload, and it will be in one avenue facing east. 0 beepers. Have him take 3 steps and turn off. Type in, delete one of the moves and then click backspace again. Click save. Go to file and click save. Click file, click save as. The name will be step 1. Then click save. Click reload and it will take and then click execute. Congratulations! You have completed step 1.